Today, we're walking through how easy it is to service your automatic pool cover pump and extend its life. Let's get going. To start, here are general guidelines to maintaining your pump. Keep the pump clean and in a well-maintained condition at all times. If the pool is located near gardens, trees, or evergreen trees, it's especially important to regularly check the pump for leaves, pine needles, or other plant debris that may accumulate around it and block the water flow. This debris can enter the pump housing through the inlet openings and may cause the pump to stop working. Thoroughly clean the pump before storing. If you live in an area with freezing temperatures, it's best to remove the pump from the pool cover and reinstall it once the ice or snow begins to melt. However, if removal isn't possible, keep the pump plugged in so it can automatically start operating as the ice or snow melts. To perform periodic service, first disconnect the pump from the power source, then move it to a designated work area. Loosen and remove the 5 screws from the outer cover using a Phillips screwdriver with a long shank. Carefully lift the pump housing cover off the pump base. Remove any leaves, pine needles, or other small debris from inside the top pump cover and the bottom base. Make sure all inlet openings around the pump base are completely clear of obstructions. Inspect the air vent hole above the discharge and remove any pine needles or debris blocking the area. Reinstall the outer cover and screws. Reconnect the pump to the electrical service. For more information, reference the owner's manual. Thanks for watching.